rock formation. What trails have we hit so far, babe?
Well, we just came off of 14. We took 17 to 18.
19, 20?
No, we actually took 17 to 18 to 14.
Okay.
And now we're on 40.
And we're making our way back to Man.
Man. Yep.
This rock formation's pretty cool. Kind of want to fly the drone. Man, look at that. That view would never get old. I swear.
Sure wouldn't.
Well, what do you think? Can-Am, is it the shit or should we trade it in?
I think you need to trade your turd in.
We definitely had some problems with the Talon. I can't keep that thing. It wants to sputter and die. Once I stop, it's kind of weird. Like, it's fine when you're giving it gas, but once you stop, it's like it's firing on one cylinder. I don't know if I got a fouled spark plug or what, but it's not
Baby,
fun.
I'm firing on all cylinders.
You're good to go, huh?
I'm good to go.
Can-Am's ripping it.
Woo!
Now I got the Talon. All I've
She
done
is
is
getting
brag
it,
on
too.
that Talon as far as reliability, and here
You know
I am.
what? And honestly, I've barely even used that front diff lock. I
Really?
feel like yeah, barely. I did it like when we were coming up this little trek, just in case. Only because I felt like if we had to like stop abruptly or you know
Right.
whatever, that it would just be good because like we were kind of climbing and if somebody came around. But honestly, I've been in two-wheel just about the whole damn time. What about you?
Mixed, to be honest. I don't know. I mean, a lot of times I'll put it in four-wheel and then I end up forgetting about it. And then I'm in
Yeah,
it
but
and
it's
like,
different for you. So I feel it 100%. I feel it in the steering.
yeah.
Which is funny because I didn't think that I would so much, but I will tell you, like, you feel it in the steering as soon as you do lock it.
Yeah, you feel it in the Talon too, but I don't know. I just tend to end up forgetting about it.
I
but-
don't remember feeling it in the Polaris, in the RZR. Like, I don't really remember feeling it so much, but, you know, also it definitely wasn't as good as this. Because when we come to those inclines, like, before, or even when we're, like, coming down the hill, it used to, like, it was so hard to, like, steer and, like, keep it straight. Like this, I feel like I don't even have to worry about it. It feels so good to not have to worry because I was in that little 900 for so long, just like shit, trying to make it through everything that Talon was making it through.
It's confidence inspiring.
Yeah.
I feel like it makes you feel like you could do
Oh,
anything.
for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Like I feel yeah, no, I feel so good. Like riding in this thing, I feel like it's easy. It's awesome. Like it's just amazing. I feel like it was worth the 8 years of waiting. Although I feel like we should have bought this when you bought the Razor. Fuck that Razor.
Yeah. Probably. Whatever.
I mean, unless you're buying a Razor like the turbo with the dynamics and like all that shit, I feel like. But we just had that little base.
Yeah, the 900S.
Shit.
It was a turd.
It was a turd. It was such a turd. This thing feels just so good. It feels so comfortable.
I'm happy you're happy. I'm kind of thinking I might want to fly the drone here. This looks like a good spot.
Let me see where we're going from here. I think we're going up from here, so let me see.
Yeah, you need to figure all that out. I'm going to fly the drone, and then by the time I'm done, you need to know where we're going. Deal?
Yeah.
Deal.